Looking for booking information in Cape Girardeau County, Missouri? This guide shows you how to use the jail roster page and verify details that may change. Open the Cape Girardeau County Jail Roster Guide on countyjailroster.net using the link in the description. Start with the roster section and review the available information carefully. Make sure the name and other available details match the person you are looking for. If you cannot find a record, check the spelling and contact the facility for current information. Cape Girardeau County Jail can be reached at 573-243-3551. The facility is located at 216 North Missouri Street in Jackson, Missouri. The official facility page is linked from the guide page. Jail roster information can change after bookings, releases, or transfers. A roster entry is not a court judgment and does not prove guilt. For current custody, bond, visitation, or release details, contact the facility or the appropriate court directly. CountyJailRoster.net is not a government agency.